Good morning. We're down here at Pool Corp, Naples. And in the back behind me there, you can see that the guys is working on a huge trench drain down the middle of our chlorine dispensing pad. It's a safety feature in case of any spills or hazards. Inside here, the guys are covering up a polished floor. This area is going to be inside the offices. So before we start framing and making a big mess on top of it, we polished it and sealed it to help keep it in pristine condition. This is something that we've gotten into fairly recently, but an excellent product. As you can see, it comes out looking like glass. It's very smooth and dense, so it actually saves a lot of money with maintenance. There's no need for any other floorings. It's eminently solid and a little bit of wax, and it's a beautiful floor. So these guys have selected this in their office areas, and perhaps we'll do some in the warehouse too. That remains to be seen. But it's a very popular technique, and we're real proud of it and being able to offer that as part of GCM services. Since we was here last, tilt wall panels have been erected. The entire roof deck is in, which is great because that let us take down all the braces. So really, even for the concrete portion, our punch out is all but done, and we'll be wrapping up in here very shortly. As we proceed across here, I just want to take a little look at these column bases that we've moved to recently. If you ever look through most warehouses, you'll see some big diamond shapes or even circular cutouts that we usually go back and pour. But we've gone to a technique of using a post base encapsulated in the concrete, so we just slide in the column when we go to set it. So it leaves a very nice, neat finish, very flat for forklifts and other things to be driving around in here that you wouldn't want having bumps. As we come back through here, this is a chlorine storage area, chlorine and other chemicals, which is why we've got the plumbers there installing a trench drain, which makes these areas totally enclosed. So in case of spills or anything like that, there's no chance of vapors escaping, fluids escaping out into the warehouse or the environment. It's almost like a shell inside the main building itself with a precast roof, solid concrete, and basically like a bomb shelter. Another trench drain will go in here for these storage areas. Back here, our concrete crew is finishing up in the truck ramp area. This is really the last major part of the building from a structural concrete perspective. Obviously, we've got a long ways to go as a general contractor out here, but things are moving along really rapidly. We expect to have multiple subcontractors starting this week coming up as we go through our site work. Most of the underground, if not all of the underground, is already in place. We was able to get that ahead of time before putting the main structure in. And right now, this truck ramp, get some heavy duty grates go in there, drive whatever you want on it, a tank. Got 6 dock levelers going to be installed in these structural pits right here. And as we come down through this end, this is our fire pump room. It's another solid concrete structures, concrete roof, concrete walls, and soon to have a concrete floor. Our fire risers are installed, coming up in the proper locations. And as we come out through here, you can see that we've got a lot of site work to start on, like I said. So, but we're well underway. Starting to demobilize all of our materials and stuff. Even our office trailer won't be here very long. And the painters due to start on Monday. Roofers not very long after that. And we'll continue on from there. See you next time.